Struggling to stay in compliance at point-of-use cleaning? Does your pre-treatment gel leave a sticky residue? Introducing ProEZ Gel, your new pre-treatment partner. ProEZ Gel Pre-treatment Spray is a head start for cleaning in surgical and other point-of-use locations. ProEZ Gel contains naturally generated, always fresh enzyme action to target organic surgical soils and start active soil breakdown. Natural enzyme action protects valuable instruments, keeping soils moist and preventing corrosive dried blood. ProEZ Gel protects instruments up to 72 hours holding time and makes your pre-treatment process visible to track compliance. It increases productivity in sterile processing, rinsing off easily with no sticky residue. ProEZ Gel, your new pre-treatment partner, designed with compliance in mind.